at a JJRC H20 comparison. So we have the H20 and we have the H20H. Now everything about these two particular quadcopters is exactly the same, other than you have altitude hold on the yellow one. A little while ago we did an indoor quadcopter video and I had the H20 up as one of the flyers. Unfortunately the battery swole and I couldn't do anything about it, so I had to dispose of that safely. But with the H20H you get two batteries, and this means that I could have one of the new batteries, one of the H20H batteries in here. It's the same plug and it has exactly the same power rating. So I thought, why not put it in and give it a shot, as it's been over a year since we've flown this one. So with this, folks, we're going to start off with the H20 and then we're going to go to the H20H. So let's clear this two out. Let's turn on the transmitter and let's turn on the quadcopter. Single, one up and one down to bind. Now, from them being bound, you will notice that the LEDs on the quadcopter and the LEDs on the transmitter are both solid. Let's calibrate those gyros. There we go. And now we can take it up. Now, with hexacopters, obviously you have those 6 motors with those 6 propellers, and that is what gives you extra stability and extra stable turning. I've always thought this with hexacopters, that the turning ability is so much better than with standard quadcopters. Now, with the JJRC H20, with this particular one, it is a fun little guy. Oh, that was a little bit close. It's quite a fun little guy. No altitude hold, just quite simple. 6 motors, so in an enclosed environment such as this, he is quite a little bit tricky to keep in one place, especially not with that altitude hold, but it's quite easy to, there we are, look at that. Even for a non-altitude hold quadcopter, he is incredibly stable, and I just love his turning. Indoors, the LEDs make him so easy to see. Outside, it's not as easy. Really isn't as easy. Oh, I love these flips. Okay, now then, let's bring in the H20H. So we've got H20H transmitter. Okay, let's bind. Single, one up and one down again to bind. Now, once all LEDs have stopped flashing, let's get these gyros calibrated. There we go. Right then, let's take them up. Okay, so let's do a couple of flips. Okay, so likewise with any indoor copters, make sure not to get too close to the ceiling, or you're going to find that your quadcopter, hexacopter, whatever it is, hexacopter especially, is going to stick to the ceiling. Oh, I just like this guy so much. He was great outdoors, even better indoors. Outdoors he is incredibly good. I was really shocked at just exactly how good this guy was. But indoors as well, oh, he's just wonderfully good indoors. Couple of flips, easy to pull off just with the right shoulder button there. Right shoulder button and then right directional, and then you just pull off as many flips as you want to, giving yourself enough. It's a lot easier with the altitude hold because obviously he goes back to his particular altitude, but just again, such a good copter, very light. The motors on this one don't seem to be as loud as the H20. It may just be me imagining it. They're probably exactly the same. In fact, I think everything about these two is exactly the same, other than this just has a barometer just for the altitude hold feature. Oh yes. Well, brilliant little bit of flying. Okay, let's bring him down. Oh, brilliant. All in all, these two are excellent. But honestly, if you're going to be paying out for the JJRC H20, you may as well go for the H20H, because you get the altitude hold, and that in itself is just a hell of a lot better. Now, flying both of them, I noticed, is exactly the same. They have the same speed modes. They have the same flipping ability, same multi-direction, forward, back, left, and right. All in all, it's exactly the same copter, just with altitude hold. So there we are, folks. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.